Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong 6 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So I'd like to present you two different ways of checking the serial number. Let's start with the fastest one. So let's open the dialer and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see at the bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK. And now let me show you another way through the settings. So let's tap on the settings, scroll down to the very bottom to find about phone. And right here we have to scroll down just a little bit, localize model and hardware, and tap on it. And as you can see, the serial number is right in the middle. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.